Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Princess, and for today's video I'm going to unboxing this goodies that I've got, and some of these are just recently new arrivals to, like, for example, for ColourPop, BH Cosmetics, and some are from Influencer. So if you guys wanted to see those stuff, then just keep on watching. So first, I'm going to show you guys what I've got in Influencer. They sent me this last week, and I haven't showed you guys what's inside. And this is what's inside. It's the Brow Contour Pro 4-in-1 by Benefit Cosmetics. They send this ones for us complimentary. They send this stuff for review purposes, so they are free. So they wanted to know what's your review for their new products, and they sent this to me. This is the 4-in-1 contour pencil. So this is how it looks like. This one reminds me of the 90s, the clicking pens. This is how it looks like, guys. So this basically, whenever I have a pen like this, that's when I was in that school, I always go like this to just annoy my teacher, I guess, or my classmate next to me, just like this. I don't know why I do this. I'm going to do a review for this one soon. And yes, for this one, it's already out in the store, in every store that they sell Benefit Cosmetics, and it is $34. Next one I'm going to unbox is this one. This is by ColourPop. I purchased this one last week, I think. Yeah, last week. And these are their new Super Shock Shadows, because they reached 6 million followers in Instagram, and they just dropped this 6 different shades of Super Shock Shadows, and all their names are 6, related to number 6. Here they are. And then I bought some one highlighter, I think, or 2 of them, but the other one looks like blush, so we'll see. I'm not going to swatch this Super Shock Shadows here, because I'm gonna do another separate video for this 6 Super Shock Shadows. And this one is Quick 6. How it looks like, and I'm not gonna put them out in that thing. This one is the 6, and this is the 6th Sense, and then this is Running Through the 6. It's like kind of bluish color. This is the 6 a.m. It's like a peachy color. Peachy glitter. It's like a metallic one. 6 a.m. And the last one, I don't know why they separate it, like they package it like this. Maybe it's because it's metallic, I don't know. This is a 6 in the City. This is metallic one also. I don't know why, but I'm into metallic Super Shock Shadows. Most of my Super Shock Shadows are metallic. They are all metallic. And there's only one is, this one is satin formula. And the next ones are, this one is Drop Off a Hat Super Shock Cheek. And this one is Drive Me Crazy. This is Super Shock Cheek too. So they're both blush, I think. I thought I one of them are highlighters. So anyway, moving on. I don't know which one is my favorite one. I don't know, this one or this one. I think it's this one, Drive Me Crazy. Drive Me Crazy, I'm going to swatch it for you. Oh my gosh. See? I'm gonna try to swatch it right here. I'm going to use it today. Oh my gosh, it's so pigmented. Don't have anything in my face right now. It's just lip gloss. Whoa, look at that. And then next one is the Drive Me Crazy. Drop of a hat. So they're like, Drive Me Crazy, drop of a hat. So this one is kind of like reddish color, and this one is kind of coral one with a little bit of, it's like a champagne peachy color. And this one is, oh my gosh, it's so creamy. So this one, you guys can see, whoa, see? Gosh. Let me see this one. Wow, oh my gosh, so pigmented. Oh. I look like I need to. These are pigmented and so creamy at the same time. These are my favorite blush, maybe. But they haven't restocked their other blushes, and I wanted to try their other blushes besides this Super Shock Cheek ones. So next ones that we are going to unbox is from BH Cosmetic, and here it is. I'm going to unbox it. The Super Shock, the ColourPop and the BH Cosmetic are arrived yesterday. So here it launches. Exploring a new discovery, introducing the newest star in our galaxy. This one, it launches June 8th. So I haven't got mine yet, but I'm still thinking if I'm gonna go back and buy that one. And then I haven't bought this one yet either. This is the Oasis. I don't know how to say it, but I haven't got that one yet. Hopefully I can buy it because I'm on budget right now. So they package it like this. So here it is. Oh wait. So here it is. This is the Take Me Back Brazil Rio edition. So they are the same. So I have both of them. These ones are more what do you call this, matte, colorful eyeshadows. I'm going to show you guys. So, and this ones, I got this one for $18, and it's actually free shipping when they launched this one. So let's see. I kind of like the packaging of this one though. This one is more thicker than this one. So here it is. Oh my gosh. Whoa, and then they have this film as always. And here it is. These are the eyeshadow pigments. They are, I think they are 35 color shadow palette, and these are, I think, what do you call this? Foil too. capture all the glamour, excitement, and of Carnival wearing the vibrant hues on our Take Me Back to Brazil Rio edition 35 color eyeshadow, a richly glittering version of the original. The super saturated shades can be layered, blended, worn alone, and transformed with duochrome glitters for a maximum sparkle. Total net for this, each of them are 0.85 ounces or 24 grams. So here it is. I can't wait to use them together. I'm going to show you guys side by side of these two palettes. So here are they. I'm so excited to use them together. And let me know on the comment box if you guys wanted me to play around with these ones, wanted me to do a makeup look maybe. So I think that's it for you guys for now, and I hope you like this unboxing, kind of small unboxing portion, and I hope I'm going to do more in the future. And that's it for you guys. Thanks for watching.